Hey guys, it's your boy, Epic Gamer, and today is a wonderful day, and I do not know why I clicked that, but today's a wonderful day, and we are spending this wonderful day in Hypixel. You can see it right there above my head. And also, you could also see the murder mystery. Yes, we are going to play murder mystery. So let's go with classic. Please be the murderer. I really want to be the murderer. Okay. Let's do this. Come on. People load. People come in. Cometh in. So yeah. Today, like I was saying, today we're gonna do some Minecraft in Hypixel. So, if you guys want more of this, comment down below, give this video a like. Let's say 15 likes. Hey, I'm the detective. I need to find and kill the murderer. Let us find and kill them. Why am I still in this room? Num 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 num. Oh, people are dying already. Nope, not over there. Let's see here. Hello? No. 9. People are dropping like flies. Oh, here's some people. Oh no. Stay safe, me hearties. Ah, that's funny. We must find this murderer. There is a sign. Spawn. Yeah, darn it. Darn it. Let's play again. Mountain. Oh! This is new. Darn voice cracks. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, it's a snowman family! There's a weirder one right there. Wait, these people playing? How do you get down there? Ooh, parkour. I'm probably gonna fail at it. Oh, never mind. This game's starting. Jump. Jump. I can make it. No. I am an innocent. Yay. Oh my gosh. That's another snowman family. Look, he's waving. Hi. Oh, is this a ski lift? Oh my gosh, it's a ski lift. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how awesome this is. How do I... Okay, that's how you get off. Gold. Thank you. I will take your monies. Ooh, a shovel. I will take a shovel. Ooh, I can dig snow with it. Huh. So... Oh, that's cool. Can I, like, throw snowballs at the murderer or something? Dig all the snow. Ooh, 30. Oh, that's cool. Oh, you know what would be cool? You know, like in the first movie of Ice Age, there would be the, Jurassic animals and stuff. Like, that would be cool if they actually could put that in there, but sadly, they can't. Yeah, you can't do a lot of... Oh, we win. Yay. Yes. Alright. Oh. Yeah, we're back. It's murder mystery time. Who's it gonna be? I have 2% of being both. And I am another innocent. One of the flies that must drop. Yes. Okay. Seriously, people with these broken skins. Might be just the texture pack, I don't know. Give me the monies. Monies. Anything in here? What? Teleported. Teleportation. Ooh, more monies. Look at this guy. Wait. It's a whale! Oh my gosh, it's a whale! That's cool! No, that is cool. Yeah. And we can't forget the koi fish. So yeah, let's get some more of this monies. So far, no one's died. Huh. Murderer must be planning his greatest kill. Or he might be AFK. Who knows? There's a sign down here. Coin spawn 10. Okay. Let's get some more of this money. Money. Ooh, boardroom. Yes, I here declare that all money shall be free. All money. I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like blue super girly gamer. Yeah. Ooh, a bow. I shall shoot all of my enemies. Yes. Yeah, but no. Where is the murderer? What? What are you doing, bro? Oh. That was inconvenient. Let's play again. Ooh, look at this sweet ride. It's my sweet ride now. I'm an innocent once again. I really want to be the murderer. I want to destroy my enemies. I've got gold, this person's AFK. Everyone's happy. We're in Hypixel land. The giant sword in the middle. Let's take this gold. Ooh, limited edition. Ultimate Mega Super Rare. Wait. Oh, super rare. Oh. Detective's been killed. Where? So it's this way. You know, the person who killed, well, the murderer, probably is guarding the bow, so. Hey, that rhymes. Huh. Let's go in the haunted house. Why not? Choose to enter one of these doors, but be aware, it might be a trap. Which one shall we do? Let's go with 2. Come on. No! Oh my gosh. No! Play again. I have to be MVP to choose another game. Great. Let's just play again. Oh, we're back here with the snowman family. It's the snow people. Oh man, I can't click it. I'm an innocent. Again. When will the madness end? I'm waiting for a chairlift. Hello? Is there no chairlift here? I guess not. Oh, they're over here. Yeah. Oh, I can just walk up to him. I don't even have to click. That's cool. Boom. There we go. Let's go in here. The house of the yellow carpet. Another snow person. Oh, I can't get in here? Oh, man. Oh, there must be, like, invisible blocks or something. Yep, they're invisible. Oh, there's train. But I hate a murderer. Okay. I don't think everyone likes murderers. Pretty sure people don't like murderers. Give me your shovel. Your finest shovels, please. I want my snow. So can I, like... Oh, you could throw them at each other. Snowball fight! Ouch! Hey, you stole my snowballs. Take some more. Oh man, I ran out of my shovel. Ouch! Lady! Oh. Okay. Get off here. Let's grab another shovel. Okay, we can only have 6. Let's diggeth some snow. Yes, grab the snow. 30 balls of snow. Take my snowballs. Shower. Be showered with snow. No! No! Darn it. What? Oh. I have the bow. Darn it! I missed! Well, guess that was... Alright, well... So... That's probably gonna be it for this video. So, leave a big, fat like with your thumb. Not with your finger, your thumb. And, also press that subscribe button and that notifications button. It's meant to be pushed. Push it with your pinky finger, not your thumb. Your thumb is for your likes. Or was it subscribing? I don't remember. But okay, that's probably gonna be it, so... And we are done here in 3, 2, 1, bye.